Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a collage using Canva for free. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to Chrome browser. Open the Chrome browser. Now here you have to search for canva.com, or you can search it on Google. Open the Canva website. Now after opening the website, you have to log in with the free account. For making an account, register yourself with a Gmail account and log in on the Canva website. Now here you can see the option create design option. Click on here. Now here you have to search collage. Now you can see here photo collage if you want in the landscape mode or portrait mode according to your need. So click on photo collage. You can also create collage Instagram story. So I rather you can choose the collage Instagram story. Click on here. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you 100 types of templates for free, and you can choose according to your need. Here you can see different type of collages. So for example, I want to create this collage, so you can add the picture by click on the picture. Now if you don't want this photo, you can delete this, delete image. Now you can upload your image by clicking on uploads, and you can put this image in this window. I will show you how to do this. For example, I want to put this image in this box, so I will scroll down here, and as you can see my image is placed in the collage, and you can place all the photos according to your need in this collage. Now to download this Instagram collage, click on share option, then click on download and maximize the size, and click on download option, and your collage will be downloaded. And that's it guys. Now you know how to create an Instagram collage for your story. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.